and welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are having an awesome day. So this video is a special one. It's a dedicated video. Well, there are lots and lots of videos and memes on the mainstream profession of engineering. Now, no offense to anybody or any profession, but I think in India, in every house there has to be an engineer. And if there is not, then let me tell you, my friend, you are not in India. Well, since medical and engineering are getting all the attentions, little attention seekers, but there's another mainstream profession that people are afraid to talk about. Any guesses? No? It's the legal job. Yes, judiciary. Sound familiar? Well, I think this legal career is the boss career of all. I mean, it's like Lord Voldemort. You know he's there, but you wish to never come across him. Likewise, you know there are lawyers, but you wish to the infinity that you never ever have to go to a lawyer. That's right, we are that much dead. Now that you're informed about it, let's open up and study the anatomy. Yes, lawyers do know biology. Duh. Now let me tell you all what being a lawyer is like. If you are already a lawyer or from the judiciary, then you guys are pretty kick-ass. और इसी बात पे please do subscribe. Now let's begin with the base of a lawyer. Well, the base is same for all the profession. You got to finish your schooling, need to clear the +2. But then what comes is the most effing 5 years of your life. I mean, with those exams, projects, presentation, viva, moot court, you are not going to see from which side you are getting screwed. Those 5 years until you graduate will be the most awful yet awesome, screwed up yet exciting years of your life. A student can graduate from hell more easily than law school, obviously Satan being the principal. If you think that after graduation the war is over, nah bruh, that was just a warm up. Just a small little battle. The actual war is yet to start. The real struggle of being a lawyer starts after you graduate. Being a lawyer is a struggle itself. The corporate life of a lawyer is like a rat in a sewer. It keeps running end to end without knowing what the hell is going on. They're still better than those who are practicing law in court. I don't even know from where to begin because the pain and suffering and the struggles that a practicing lawyer goes through. I mean, even the devil will get some tear in his eyes. But aside from all these wars and struggles, being a lawyer myself, I think it is the most ass-kicking and satisfying profession ever. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you are a lawyer or if you know someone going through this pain and suffering, then don't forget to like and share this video with them.